Hey guys, and welcome back to Cake or Sprinkles, and welcome back to the 4th of July vlog. Well, video. Today we are documenting fireworks. Yep, it's late at night, guys. I'm looking at this through the camera and I might just set this through a different camera so that bigger? You want bigger? Look through my camera. It's too purple. I had to erase it. It was too purple. Guys, look at this. This is amazing. I mean, I'm sure you've all seen fireworks before, but like, they never get old. So, Mom, how long do you think it'll be until? You know what's here?
See in the video where they're lighting them off right there?
Yeah.
We're literally right in front of them.
Alright, come on. Get up higher, fireworks. Something like that. It's incredible every time. You know what, guys? Now might be a good time to get some more opinions. Hey,
I hear her, what's up?
so, what do you think of the 4th of July?
I love the 4th of July. Freedom, hot dogs, free
Fireworks.
country, fireworks, family, my kids,
Sparklers.
sparklers.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
Look at that, guys. See, like a red light there. What do you like about the 4th of July?
Fireworks! Okay. Did I do
Anything
good?
else?
No. Well, eating hot dogs and getting fat.
Okay.
Thank you.
And we also have other things going down.
You guys want to sparklers?
I don't think they can see you actually, but that's Devin on a trampoline. He's doing it. Ow!
I have a match.
You have a match. Great. She has a match, guys. Sorry for the constant clips, guys. I'm turning on and off the flash.
Okay, I gotta get a flat. One.
Look, there's the moon. And more fireworks. Yeah.
Oh, Julie, do you want to play a game?
Wait. Hey.
Hey, don't drop it. We'll never find it again.
No, you probably. Hey, Eleanor. You want to give me your thoughts on the 4th of July? Think anything else?
Hey, look. Here's the video camera. Say,
I'm
what do
looking
you
at you.
What do you think
Your
about?
pretty little face.
What do you think about the 4th of July?
Great.
And she's off.
Eleanor out.
Eleanor out.
Wait, guys, what am I missing? What am I missing? Oh, sparkler. Oh wait, and giant fireworks. Those are freaking humongous fireworks.
Getting shorter. Wait, I'm just like, it's getting shorter. It's getting shorter. It's going down. Oh my gosh. It's going out. Don't worry.
It went out.
Hey!
Bye bye.
Hey!
Don't worry, it's too dark to see you. Well, guys, I guess that'll close off our 4th of July videos. If you enjoyed today, please leave a comment stating your favorite thing about Independence Day, along with other video suggestions, and then like, and then subscribe, because that's the order you do it on this channel. And with that, have a fireworking, fantastic day. Cake or sprinkles. Peace out.